Hello financial fans, talk a little bit about starting your first account with a brokerage firm. There are many brokerage firms out there. There's firms like Fidelity, there's Schwab, there's E-Trade, and there's Webull, W-E-B-U-L-L, and other brokerage firms. Just read the small print, read the requirements, and see which company you want to handle the trades that you make, the times that you buy stocks and sell stocks. I am not a financial advisor, and any money you invest in stocks can be lost. And to start your account, to start your brokerage account, you will need some sort of banking account because you will be putting money into your account with a brokerage firm. You'll be putting in cash, you don't use a credit card. And after you put in cash, you can make trades. You can buy stocks, you can sell stocks. I do not buy or sell options or any sort of derivatives. I stick with stocks. And I try to stick with stocks that I know something about. For example, Ford Motor Company is a stock I own. AT&T is a stock I own. And those companies fit my criteria quite well. The things I look for in a stock, I try to get something that's priced within reason, say $5 to $100 or even $500, depending on what the stock is. You can buy a certain amount of money invested in less than one share of some stocks if they are tremendously high price stocks. I look for a low PE, price earnings ratio. The stocks that I usually end up buying have a PE ratio of 10 or less. I look for dividends that are paid by the company, and I try to get 3% or more. And that is not a requirement where I refuse to go outside the lines. That's just what I start looking for, and eventually I find something that I like that's pretty close to what I really desire. I want a stock that has a trading volume of 1 million or more shares every day, and I want stocks that I understand, like Ford Motor Company and AT&T, and so many other stocks, Procter & Gamble, Kroger. They all are stocks. I don't know if you know it. Tootsie Roll is a stock. If you wanted to buy Tootsie Roll, you could buy Tootsie Roll stock. Just enter the symbol TR. Every stock has a symbol. Ford Motor Company, the symbol is F. AT&T, the symbol is T. Tootsie Roll, the symbol is TR. Verizon is VZ. Every stock has a symbol, and it makes it easy to trade when the time comes. You would be surprised how fast, if you have not watched a stock trade take place, you'll be amazed. You'll go to your brokerage house, you'll set up a page of what stock you want to buy or sell. You'll click a button, and almost immediately a sign will come on your brokerage account pages that says order filled or something to that effect. Some of the brokerage firms I mentioned: Fidelity, E-Trade, Schwab, Webull. Study each brokerage firm. Do a search on the internet. Just say best brokerage firm and let all the different brokerage firms tell why they're the best. Some will be good for you, some will have requirements that you might not want to meet. Maybe they'll have a requirement that you have a cash account to begin with that is higher than what you want to begin with. Some firms have zero as far as a minimum is concerned, but do your research, and maybe if you find a couple of brokerage firms that you like both of them, get the one that's closest to you physically in case you ever want to visit their office and buy some stocks or whatever. if you want to do some really good research on a stock, I recommend Yahoo's pages, or Yahoo Finance has some really good pages where you can get a lot of information about almost any company that's out there. And I also use my brokerage firm's pages for research. At Yahoo, one of the features that they have at their financial page is a screener. I can use some of the screeners that Yahoo already has set up, or I can make my own screener. For example, if I wanted to make a screener, show me all the stocks that have a low PE ratio, 10 or less. Show me all the stocks that have the dividend payment of 3% or more. Show me all the stocks that trade 1 million shares a day. And eventually you'll get a screened stock page where there will be only 10 or 15 stocks that are mentioned on the page that fill every requirement you have. But Yahoo does have good pages, and I'm not being paid to say that. And remember, you won't be able to use a credit card to buy the stocks when you're starting up a brokerage account. So the credit card should be paid off, completely paid off, because the more money you put into paying off the credit card, the sooner you get rid of the 20% interest that is charged every month, the more able you'll be to start investing in your own brokerage account. And it is best not to have credit card debt, so I will tell you that. And you might want to consider the ETFs, exchange traded funds. I'll give you three to start with: SPY, QQQ, and DIA. If you buy an exchange traded fund, it is just like buying a stock. You can buy and sell it anytime during the day. And SPY, QQQ, and the Diamonds DIA, they are diversified. That means you won't lose all your money in one big company failure or something. So just something to think about, and hopefully some of this information is brand new to you and will help you as you begin your steps into the world of finance. And I thank you very much for watching.